how to have your iPhone announce who is calling you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to have your iPhone announce who's calling you, you'll need to go to your settings and then scroll to the bottom and tap on apps. Now on the search bar, search for phone and then you will see announce calls option under preferred language. Tap on it and then you'll need to set it to always if you always want your iPhone to announce calls, or you can set it to headphones and car if you only want it to announce when you're using headphone or car, or you can even set it to headphones only. So just make sure that you have saved the name of the person so that it can announce who is calling you. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.